आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल ए प्लस मैथमेटिक्स में। Your question 1 is add the following numbers. Example number 1 minus 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. What we need to do? First of all, we have to add them. So you will write on plus sign in the place of add, and you will write on minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So in type 1 numerator is same. So we have to add them. What we will do? We will replace the and sign by plus and put the numerator in bracket. Now what you will do? You will take the LCM of this 5 and 5. So LCM of 5 and 5 is equal to 5. Now 5 1 is 5. 1 into minus 2, you will get minus 2. Plus sign will remain same. 5 1 is 5, 1 4 is 4, and if you solve it, you will get minus 2 plus 4 by 5, which is 4 plus 4 minus 2, means 4 minus 2, 2 by 5, and that's your answer. Let's take one more example. This 5 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. Again, we have to add them. What we will do? We will write down the number again and replace the and sign by plus. Then put the numerator in bracket. Take the LCM of denominator. 6 1 is 6, 1 5 is 5 plus 6 1 is 6, 1 into minus 1. You will get minus 1. It can be written as 5 plus minus minus 1 by 6. 5 minus 1, 4 by 6. Convert into lowest form. 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6. So we can say 2 by 3 is your answer. In type 2, here again we have to add them. Add all of them. So first question is 5 by 8 and minus 7 by 12. First of all, we have to add. So what we will do? Replace the and sign by plus. You will get 5 by 8 plus minus 7 by 12. Then put the numerator in bracket. Remember one thing. If negative sign is in the denominator, shift it to the numerator. We will do it in example number 4. Now you can see the denominator is different. So what we will do? We will take the LCM of 8 and 12. Now LCM of 8 and 12, we can take 8 and 12. 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, means 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 3 is 24. LCM is 24. Write down LCM 24. Now 8 3 is 24, 8 3 is and 3 5 is 15 plus 12 2 is 2. So 2 7 is minus 14. You will get 15 plus minus minus 14 by 24, or we can say 15 minus 14 is 1 by 24, and that's your answer. Similarly, LCM of 18 and 27, we can take, I'll take LCM here. Actually I know what is LCM. You can do like this only. So first of all, what we will do? You can see the negative sign is in the denominator. we shift it to the numerator, and this can be written down minus 7 by 18 plus, because we have to add them, and 8 by 27. Put the numerator in bracket, take the LCM, and I know the LCM of these two is 54. You can do like this only. 18 3 ja and 3 7 ja minus 21, 27 2 ja, 2 8 ja 16. You will get minus 21 plus 16 by 54, and you can see 16 minus 21. You will get negative 5 because they are opposite sign. So you will subtract them, and 21 minus 16 is 5, and sign will be of the bigger term. What is the bigger term here? Biggest term is 21, so which is negative, so you will put negative here, and this over 54, and that's your answer. One more example. If you will have 0 and minus 2 by 5, so what we will do? Again 0 plus minus 2 by 5. Put the numerator in bracket. 0 can be written as 0 upon 1 or 0 upon 2, because 0 can be written as 0 upon 5 also. Take the LCM, you get 5 LCM. 1 5 is 5, 5 into 0 0, 5 1 is 1, 1 into minus 2 negative 2. If you solve it, you will get minus 2 by 5. Again, that's your answer. Okay. What we will do, if we have more than 2 terms, like we have here one rational number, another rational number, if we have more than 2, or we have to verify them, that we will discuss. Now see, your question number 3 is verify minus 12 by 5 2 plus 2 by 7 equal 2 by 7 minus 12 by 5. So what we will do, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. We will solve them separately. Left hand side is minus 12 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Put the numerator in bracket, take the LCM. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 5 into 7, 35, 7 into minus 12, you will get minus 84. 7 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10, minus 84 plus 10, you will get minus 74 by 35. Now what we will do, this is your left hand side. Now we will find our right hand side. In right hand side you will have 2 by 7 plus minus 12 by 5. Now what we will do, put the numerator in bracket, take the LCM. 7 and 5 LCM will be 35. 7 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is, and 7 into minus 12 is minus 84. If you solve it, 10 plus minus 84 by 35. If you solve it, you will get minus 74 by 35. You can see this left hand side and right hand side are equal, so we can write down left hand side is equal to right hand side. Alright. Now see this kind of question. Again, you have here 3 terms. This is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. So what we will do, we will solve it left hand side first. Now how you will solve it? You have 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 5 and then minus 7 by 10. Put the minus 7 in bracket. Take the LCM of these two terms. You will have LCM 20. In the numerator you will get 4 5 is 20 and 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20 and 4 2 is minus 8. This minus 7 by 10, third term, will remain same. You can solve it. 15 plus minus minus. So 15 minus 8, 7 by 20 plus minus 7 by 10. Again I take the LCM. LCM will be 20. 20 1 is 20 and 1 into 7, 7. 10 2 is 20, 2 7 is minus 14, you will get minus 7 by 20. This is your left hand side. Similarly, we will find the value in right hand side. In right hand side, we have this value 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 7 by 10. Put the numerator in bracket. Now first term will remain same. We will solve this bracket. We can change the bracket and take the LCM will be 5 and 10 LCM will be 10. 5 to the 10, 2 to the minus 4, 10 1 is 10, 1 into minus 7, 3 by 4, minus 7 minus 4, they both are negative. We will add them. You will get minus 11 by 10. Take LCM again. LCM will be 20. 4 5 ja, 5 3 ja, 15. 10 2 ja, 2 11 ja, 22. If you solve it, you will get minus 7 by 20, which is your right hand side. You can see they both are equal, implies left hand side is equal to right hand side. So if we have three rational number, what we will do? When we solve first two rational number, you will get one single rational and that can be added with the third one. Okay, if we solve two rational number, add two rational number, we will get single rational number and this single rational number can be added to the third one and then you will get again a single rational number. Okay, now what is additive inverse? Your question number 6 is find the additive inverse of these four parts. You can see this is, what is the working rule? We will change the sign of the term. If this is minus 18, change the sign of, first of all, put the number in bracket and put the negative sign here. Okay, what we will do? Put the number in bracket and put the negative sign here. Put the number in bracket and put the negative sign here. This negative can be, I told you, negative, if negative is present in the denominator, shift to the numerator, this number can be written like this. Now we need to find additive inverse. So what we will do? Put the number in bracket and put the negative sign. Now you can see minus minus plus. So it will become plus 18. That's the answer. It will become minus plus minus 1 by 3. Again is your answer. Minus 0 will remain 0 because 0 cannot be negative. 0 is always positive. That's the answer. And again it will be minus minus plus. It will be 19 by 6. Again that's your answer. Okay. Now the question is subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Subtract this from this. First term from second term means we need to find second term minus first term. Because we have to subtract, so we will put negative sign here. Now take the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. 3 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4. 4 3 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9. What you will get? You will get minus 5 by 12 and that is your answer. Okay, when you have number this from this, first write down first number, second number and then write down the first number. जो बाद वाला नंबर है उसको पहले लिखेंगे. You can see this बाद वाला नंबर क्या है? minus 3 by 5. पहले वाला नंबर क्या है? minus 8 by 9 and put the negative sign here. Take the LCM. LCM you will get 45. I know you can do it like this. Again I told you, I'll tell you this 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 5 1 is 5. हम कब तक करेंगे? Till we get this 1 1. Okay, so LCM will be this into this into this. 3 into 3 into 5. What is that? 3 is 9, 5 is 45. So LCM will be 45. Now 5 9 is 45. 9 3 is 27. negative. 9 5 is 45, 5 8 is minus 40. Solve it. Negative negative positive. Now 40 minus 27 is 13 over 45, and that's your answer. Okay. Solution is, let given one number be minus 14 by 5, let another number be x. You are given that sum of both number is minus 2, means sum of this first number and second number is minus 2, means this first number plus second number is minus 14 by 5, the addition is equal to minus 2. What we will do, remember one thing. First of all, solve it. You can see, remember one thing. If we shift this term to right hand side, we will change the sign. This is positive. So if we shift this second term, this height, the term which I hide, if we shift this term to this side, the sign of this term become change. If this is positive, it become negative. If this is negative, it become positive. Now this term will remain in the bracket. We will change the sign of this term. So you will get x equal to minus 2. This term will remain same in bracket. Okay, this is positive sign here, so it will become negative. We will not change the sign of this term. Okay, now x is nothing. Minus 2 can be written as minus 2 upon 1, and minus 2 will put in bracket. Now you can take the LCM. LCM will be 1 and 5. LCM will be 5. 1 into 5, 5, 1 5 is 5, 5 2 is minus 10, negative. 5 into 5, 1 into minus 14, you will get minus 14. You will get minus 10, negative, negative, positive. 14 minus 10, you will get 4. So your answer is x is equal to 4 by 5. See one more question. Let the number be subtracted be x. Okay. According to question, what is given to you? What number should be subtracted? Let x be subtracted from minus 2 by 3. From minus 2 by 3, we will subtract x. And what we will get? We will get minus 1 by 6. Okay. Now, again, first, what we will do? We will shift this minus x to the right hand side. You will get minus 2 by 3 equal to negative 1 by 6. Minus x become plus x. Put this minus 1 by 6 in bracket. This is x plus this term. This term we shift to left hand side, and sign of this term become change. Remember, we are shifting this term to left hand side. We will hide the term and put the term as it is. The number was minus 1 by 6. We will not change the sign of this term. This number will shift to as it is, and you can see outside this bracket there is no sign, means it will be considered as positive. And if we shift to left hand side, it become negative, means outside the bracket के बाहर क्या लगेगा? Negative sign. Now what you will do? You will take the LCM. 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is minus 4. Minus sign will remain same. 6 is 6, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Negative 4, negative negative, positive. And what you will get? You will get x is equal to minus 3 by 6. In the lowest form, it can be written as 1 by 2. So your answer is x is equal to minus 1 by 2. That's your answer. Okay.